Let's do it. Come on. He's shooting at y'all. He's shooting at y'all. Other way, Liam. Other way. He's going around. He's going around.
Hold on.
Chase, you better dive, son. He's right there. That's the stand. That's Matt.
Man, watch out.
Oh, that's where he went. Watch out, Matt.
He's right there by the houses. He's gonna try to get us when we come across the board.
This looks insane. I think you're about to get Afghanistan people. Ragheads!
Alright, y'all wait.
Watch out.
Yep, I'm out.
Where the fuck is he at?
There he is, there he is.
All right, conserve. He's not there anymore.
Aaron, don't shoot us. Me and Ben and Cal's coming over. You hear me, Aaron? What? Don't shoot us. Me, Ben, and Caleb.
We're done.
It's that fucking house over there. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here, Matt. Damn it, dude. Huh? I got it.
Oh, I see him. He's over there.
Hey, 2 weeks in the game. His ass never calls out.
What's his name's over there?
Liam, Liam, cover Chase.
No, no, no.
Y'all three can't go over there. Yep, Tanner's gone.
Yeah, they just blew his cover.
Yeah, so let's walk over there.
We're done.
No, we're not done.
Wait.
The game's still on, Chase, so look out. Hey. You on my team? No, we're just videotaping. I'm out. The game's still on, so keep going.
Aaron, the game's still on, so look out.
I bet he's in the boat. I bet he's in the boat.
He's in the boat.
He's in the boat. Yeah, Joe.
What?
He's just like, oh, I started running. Yeah, don't shoot me, Aaron. All I was gonna do is keep running. I shot you! He's gonna say, no, I didn't. Lying ass motherfucker.
No, you're definitely.
Chase, you need these?
Yes. Bring it to me.
Go, do it now. Go. Go.
There we go.
Cover him, Chase.
You want a skateboard?
Oh, why are the shoes glued to it?
Fucking man.
Caleb's over there.
Aaron, you better not get too close to that road. Someone sees you with a gun and they're gonna call the police.
Watch out! He's coming!
Yeah, why would you say watch out? You're not even in the yeah, you can't shoot us. Come on. Go to him. Go down.
He's not bad for a whole one-man team.
I'm a medic. I'm bringing you back in. Yeah, you can't bring me back in.
You're back in. You're on his team.
Whatever.
Go ahead, Matt.
You're back in.
He's really good. He's a good hider.
He's a medic. He just said, hey, I'm a medic. Fuck it.
I'm a medic. Fuck you guys.
That's going to get in the way, Matt.
Stick it in your pocket.
What it can show. Oh, I see him running.
Let me tie it around. Yeah, there you go.
Better get covered. Shit.
Cover me, I'm reloading. Hey, what? Hey, Ben, lean in and get so pissed off.
Look how long this is. I don't think they're forward, buddy. I think they're over here. I think they're over there. Matt, you go that way.
You need to scream saying, I'm back in. That's what I would, yeah. Matt's back in on Aaron's team. Aaron's medic. Need to run now. Got one down, big time.
I'm out. I'm out. Look straight forward. I say I'm fucking out. I'm out. Don't keep fucking shooting. Oh, who's shooting it? Someone, I said I'm out. There's someone in there. Full auto on me.
Are you out?
Why would you shoot that way? There's no one over there. Yeah, so just start shooting range.
Aaron's out.
Yeah, you quit bitching. How about I shoot you right fucking now? You see me right now. I'm fucking shoot you. Bet you won't. You want to bet? Yeah.
Liam,
Is that you, Chase?
Liam, Aaron's out.
Yep, I'm out.
Aaron's already out.
Yes?
He got shot by Tanner.
Oh, fuck yeah, you did. You kept shooting the wall, dumbass. You're lucky I don't beat your fucking ass right now. Why the fuck did you send me if you're out?